Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome use less RAM and run faster. First, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Select System, then turn off Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This prevents Chrome from keeping hidden processes running after you close the browser, which can reduce unnecessary memory usage. Next, go to Performance in the Settings menu. Find the Preload Pages option and either turn it off or choose a more limited setting if available. Page preloading makes Chrome load websites before you open them, but this can use extra RAM and system resources even for pages you never visit. While you are still in the Performance section, turn on Memory Saver and set it to Balanced if that option is available. Memory Saver automatically frees RAM from tabs you are not using, helping Chrome stay responsive without closing your open tabs. Finally, check your installed extensions. Click the extensions icon. Disable or remove any extension that you no longer use. Every active extension uses memory in the background, so keeping only the ones you need can improve Chrome's performance. After making these changes, restart Chrome to make sure all settings are applied. Thanks for watching.